As you can see here, we have this image like this background. I animated. It's just a camera. If you see here, I have a camera location and we have this animation like this. You can make many abstract background from any image or HDRI image. If I go here and I change the HDRI, now you have this look like this. Now if I check the plane, if I go here, I select the plane. As you can see here, it's just image in this plane. It's this one. If I change maybe like a sky, if I make it like this, you have this look like this. If I change this one, you have this look. As you change your image, you have this look. You can make it, you can download the free image to make it just as you can see here. I delete this, Control T, and go in your computer and select any image you have. For example, I select this one. You have this look. But to enable mapping and texture coordinate, you must go here in Edit, in Preferences, in Add-ons. Here hit Node and enable this one and save preferences. That's it. Now as you can see here, this abstract background is created just by a cube and a plane. So how to do this? We can see it now, we can do it now. As I decreased the zoom of the camera, as you can see here, we have this object like this. It's just a simple cube. So now I go back here. As you can see, I have a plane and this object like this. So how to make the cube like this? So I uncheck this one, I uncheck the plane too, and now I add just a cube. If I go here in edit mode and I subdivide this cube, as you can see, this is the one of the steps to make the cube like this. If I subdivide it 10 like this, as you can see, and I make it smooth and I give it this in fractal, I make it like this, and here I make it in 0. You can of course change the seed to make different your object, but I make it just like this. But I go back here in object mode, this one, I go here in modifier. First thing I do is I make it, I subdivide it, I make it in 3 like this, right click, shade smooth. Now we have this object like this, but it's not enough. Just I go here in modifier, in deform, I select smooth. I increase this just a little like this. Maybe I make it in 2, just like this, and I repeat this process 3 times. Now right click, shade smooth. If you have a slow computer, you can make it like this, it's okay. If you want to make it more smoother, add a subdivide surface. As you add the subdivide surface, you have a nice look, and when we make it in glass, it will be better. So now I finish with the modifier. Now I go here and I make it, I select this and I go here and I make it in glass. Now in glass I make it in 0. Now we are not seeing anything because I must go here in viewport shading. Now we have this object as glass. Now hold shift and decrease this. If I make it in 1, as you can see, I have the HDRI image. But if I increase this just a little, Now we have this abstract. The image is changing the form. Now you have your object. You can play as you want. For the animation, as you can see, it's like this. It's easy to do. Just go here in frame 1 here and choose the look that you want. Maybe I changed the HDRI to have a nice one, maybe this one, and you can move it just to have a nice look, a look that you want. If you are not happy with this, you can go here. As you increase the number here, you stretch your image and you have abstract look like this. Go here, select camera and go here in camera, here in object data properties. So I have this for the first one. Maybe it's working. Okay, just like this. Change your location and rotation of the camera, and you have this animation like this. Now this is with HDRI. Now if I check the plane, I select the plane, and now if I change the image like this, you have this look like this. If I make it, I give it this, you have this look. You can play as you want and make your abstract background animation easy peasy. So I hope that you like this tutorial. If you want to see more tutorial like this, watch the video in the end.